All right, so what you're going to do for a bigger grade is you are going to go to page 77 in your notebook. So go ahead and turn to page 77, and it looks like this. So it has a selection of reading that you're going to have to read, and it has a question. So you're going to kind of do what we've done in the past two classes. You're going to read this, and as you're reading it, I want you to do your first draft read, and then after that, you're going to do your second draft read. When you do your second draft read, you're going to annotate it. You're going to mark on the text. You're going to ask questions. You're going to underline things. You're going to notice certain aspects to it. So you're going to have that interaction. Then after you do that, this is an inference question. It says, what is Mark preparing to do? And you're going to use the RADDU format that's on page 28. But before we do that, I'm going to have you actually write this because we did it when we did the format last time. I want you to write the word RADDU at the top. So then what you will end up doing is when you answer this question, you are going to restate, answer, have two different details, and then the usually when statement. So that goes back to the format that's on page 28. So I'm going to show you just as a quick reminder and refresher of what I mean by that. So this right here, this is your format. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. We did this last class. So RADDU, remember it's restate, answer your question. The text states or says quoted detail 1 and quoted detail 2, and then you have your usually when statement. So you're going to follow that format. And as you're following that format, you are then going to, you're going to be writing that format right here in your notebook on page 77. Okay, so just follow that format and you should be good to go. Again, you're going to do your first draft read where you just read it to get it, and then you're going to do your second draft read, which is where you annotate it. And then on the next slide, you are going to have to take a picture of this and post it. So I want to make sure, like when you take a picture, I need to see both sides. I need to see this side, I need to see the annotations, and then I also need to see this side because I need to see what you wrote down for your RADDU inference format so I can grade that particular section. All right, that's all I got for you. Good luck with that. Oh, and you can use your notebook to help you. Like I've just got done saying, you can use the format to help you, but then you can also use what we've done in class, which is what we did the limit with last time, and we did that one, so you can go back to see how we did it. So please use that. That's the whole reason why I have my notebook set up the way it is, so you can use it as a resource to help you do things that you will eventually have to do on your own, which is this particular page right here on page 77. All right, there you go.